Hello everyone, I'm Elif Bükmaksoy and today we will talk about 9 competencies to become a competent pilot. In order to become a competent pilot, there are some requirements you must obtain. These requirements are used as a standard can ensure flight safety. These competencies are not introduced with pilots until they attend a commercial training. However, they are always present in cockpit during your flight training. Here are 9 competencies to become a competent pilot. First one, situational awareness. A competent pilot must be aware of the state of the aircraft, flying path, terrain, and avionics systems. By keeping the track of time and fuel must ensure the continuity of the flight as well. 2. Teamwork and leadership. A pilot must know the importance of the team working and leadership. Pilot in command must not hesitate when using initiative or giving directions, while creating a supportive environment in a cockpit and maintaining an attitude that open to communication. He or she must encourage team members to participate in the operation. 3. Communication skills. During the flight, pilot must use proper vocabulary and direct the required message clearly to the ATC or the other crew members. If he or she is in doubt with the transmission of the message, must check the understanding of the information and try to resolve the ambiguity. 4. Managing and workload. A competent pilot must correctly and efficiently manage the available resource and perform the required task in punctual manner under normal or non-normal circumstances. 5. Problem solving and decision making. In order to identify the risk and results for them, the pilot must use the proper decision-making process. Most important steps of solving a problem is understanding the problem and figuring out the reason of it. Identifying and considering options effectively and assign tasks while communicating decisions are made crucial for problem solving. In order to ensure safely, decision made for a certain problem must be a solved solution. 6. Flight management manual. Since aircraft can be flown by hands as well as autopilot, a competent pilot must be competent by the means of controlling the aircraft manually under any circumstances. While keeping the aircraft in normal flight envelope, pilot must detect the deviation from the planned flight path and correct the route accordingly by manual controls. 7. Flight management auto. A pilot must be able to execute a flight by using automated flight controls and flight management systems. Just as we said in the manual flight management, the pilot must detect the deviations from the planned flight path and correct the deviations by using automated flight controls. Selections of required levels or mode automation is under responsibility of the pilot in command. 8. Knowledge. A competent pilot must identify and apply procedures according to prevailing conditions. The selections and variety of applicable procedures may be known by the pilot. Gathering the needed information can be done by following SOPs unless another high-degree safety information provided is present. The instruction gathered from the SOPs or other sources must be applied in timely manner. 9. Applications of procedures. After identifying the required procedures for current conditions, pilot must apply the procedure correctly according to the published operating instructions. While complying with the published operating instructions, he or she must also comply with the applicable regulations via using the proper knowledge. Thank you for watching our video. Stay safe with aviation.